What's up, YouTube? Oh my god. Your boy Asian Chat, we back again with another video. Let's go. I think y'all can see the weather going on right now. If you guys can't tell. If you guys can't tell, it's motherfucking wet, bro. And you know what that means. Some fun driving in the rain. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I go crazy in the rain. There go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zenas.
We're gonna go crazy in the rain today. Best believe. This guy right here, hey. This guy, hey man. First time in the rain, you already know it's gonna go all out.
Whoa, chill. Quick pit stop. Going to the post office real quick. Gotta get some mail, some packages. We're cooked, y'all. I got class at 6, so I'm trying to record some quick content while I can. But it's 3 o'clock right now. My ass might be cooked. We're cooked. I am cooked. My ass is wasting my time. Bro, my roommate had to be here to get it. God damn it, bro. I was wasting my fucking time. Yeah, bro.
Shit. It's a half boat.
Alright, brother.
Thank you, brother.
I'll catch you, man.
I appreciate the ride, man.
Of course, bro, of course. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Jeez Louise, man. Print out first.
Hold the wheel all the way to the left.
Yep.
Alright. Now do a burnout.
Woo! 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 Oh, yo! Yo! Keep that one. There goes us from the M-Foskies real quick. Yeah! 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 Oh, fuck yeah! Oh my god! Yo! Yo! Oh hell no! Oh. Seems good. Fucking Derek went dummy crazy, bro. We're about to go to the second spot right now. Hey, I'm about to learn how to be a master drifter, bro. Bro, hopefully all goes well, bro. Hopefully I don't crash this fucking car. I'm scared, bro. Bro, I'm scared, Derek.
Yeah, you got this.
Fuck, I'm
not
scared.
even no master drifter.
Bro, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. Change of plans. Change of plans. Change of plans. Motherfucking security was there, bro. So we're about to link up again later tonight. And then we're gonna go crazy, man. We're gonna go crazy, man. Shit. Fuck, hopefully I get it by tonight, man. Bro, I'm fiending, bro. That shit was fun. That shit was fun, bro. Once you do it, you just want to do more. Like, fuck, bro. Fuck, my shit was ass. My shit was cooked. But hopefully when I get more space, bro, shit. Bro, fuck it. Drift fail, but hey. Me and Derek about to run a hand in Matrix real quick, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully make some gas money real quick, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god, Derek, come on, let's be up. If I can find fucking parking, bro. What the fuck? We really about to hit the motherfucking casino real quick. With some quick blackjack hands. Hey, pray for me, y'all. Hopefully we cash out, bro. Get some gas money for more drifting, you know? Just like that. I lost 30 bucks. How much you lose, Derek?
24.
Oh my God. No, technically, I lost $34 because I had to spend $4 more just to play, bro. Fuck. And it's raining. Fuck. Oh my gosh. All right, brother. All right. After that fat ass L, that fucking bitch ass Matrix, gotta get some grub real quick. I'm fucking starving. Oh yes, bro. Look at those prices. Look at focus. Oh, hella cheap. Oh my god. It's only $10, y'all, for both of these. We back outside. We back outside. I just finished my class. Derek can't meet up with us right now, but he's gonna meet up with my boy Dylan. It's still wet right now, I think, so we should be good. It's not raining as much anymore, but fuck, I'm still gonna fucking get it, bro. Trust. Watch out. I'm gonna get this shit on lock, man.
Let's go.
Shit, man. Fuck, bro. I have to go get some bitch ass gas, bro. Fuck. When do I not have to get gas in this fucking? Oh my god. Fuck. Gas, bro. Gas guzzler, man. Fuck. That'll be good. Alright. From the YouTube video I watched, turn. Oh. Hold on, we getting it. We getting it, bruh. Hold on. This shit, I got this shit down. Bro, holy fuck, bro, I should've brought my ski mask, bro. Holy fuck, bro, I cooked. Bro, those YouTube videos and Tyler texting me what to do? Nah, that shit cooked, bro. Way better than the other time, bro. Holy fuck. Dude, nah, this car slides so smoothly though, bro. It's too easy. Bro, anyone can be a pro drifter in this car, bro. I swear to God, bro. Duh. Hop in, my boy. Hop in. Let's go. We out, bro. We out. We out. We out. We out. Oh my God, bro.
It's a dead end fool.
Oh. Oh my God, bro. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, bro. Holy fuck, bro. This is too fun, bro. Alright, y'all. Holy fuck. Call me Mr. fucking Pro Drift Car Driver, bro. I'm locked in. I'm tapped in. Me and Dylan, we're about to go try to find another spot right now, just to end off the night. But hey, I gotta tell y'all, YouTube, straight clutch, man. Oh my God. Hey, if y'all have any tips on how to swing it better, let me know, please, because I'm still learning. Like, I'm being dead ass with y'all. This is my first time ever swinging an M4 competition. Not just an M4 competition, but this is my first time swinging, like actually swinging. So, yeah, hey, dab me up, man. Come on. How was that?
It was good.
Hey, yeah, hey, if you said that's ass, you just a hater, bro. Fuck. Whoa. Oh my God. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was dead ass my first time drifting, bro. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully, you know, I looked pretty smooth, you know what I'm saying? Shit was fun, bro. At first in the morning, I could not do it. I was scared shitless. But then, bro, after watching them YouTube videos, like I said once again, bro, they get you locked in, bro. I was watching the BMW M videos on how to drift. I was like, bruh, that shit clutch. Tune in, get ready. I got more content coming real soon. Just know the first mod's coming. The first mod is coming. Be ready for that one. You guys don't want to miss that. Anyways, bro, I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, man. And Dylan, what you gotta say, boy?
Just like, comment, subscribe, guys. Come on.
Not that. You gotta say that on the best fucking drifter, bro.
Oh yeah, you're the best fucking drifter, bro.
There you go. All right, bro. All right, peace out, guys. Thank you, guys.